Welcome to this comprehensive analysis of Jamna Auto Industries, a company with a rich history and promising prospects in the world of commercial vehicles. Company overview. Jamna Auto Industries, founded in 1954, has evolved from a small shop into a leader in providing suspension solutions for CVs. Currently led by Randeep Singh Johar as chairman and managing director, the company boasts a diverse product portfolio that includes leaf springs, parabolic springs, lift axles, trailer suspension, and more. Their client list features giants like Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, and others. Segment analysis. Jamna Auto operates in 4 key segments. OEMs. They offer a range of products, including conventional leaf springs and parabolic leaf springs. Upcoming additions include bogie bracket, ATS bracket, hanger shackles, spring pin, and U-bolt. The company collaborates with NHK Spring Company Limited, Japan, and Ridewell Corporation, USA, for specialized products. Aftermarket, domestic. Jamna Auto serves as a major player in this segment, offering brake lining, trailer axle, water pump, and clutch. Their extensive network of 300-plus distributors, 11,500-plus stores, and 15,000-plus mechanics is focused on addressing the market for highly consumable items. Aftermarket, international. The company exports 800 different items to over 15 countries, with plans to expand into 40 new countries in the next year. They've established dedicated manufacturing plants and teams in the United States, Latin America, and the Commonwealth of Independent States. Agri Division. Jamna Auto's Agri Division provides products such as rotavator, cultivator, fertilizer broadcaster, and more. Future offerings include subsoiler, disc plow, trailer, and mulcher. The company also supplies machined castings to Leyland in Uttaranchal for mining and heavy trucks. Industry overview. The Indian auto ancillary industry is a vital contributor to the country's GDP, employing millions directly and indirectly. With 61% of its revenue coming from OEMs, 18% from the aftermarket, and 21% from exports, the sector has witnessed significant growth. The demand for commercial vehicles surged by 34% in the previous year, bringing the ancillary sector along. Projections indicate a 14 to 16% growth rate in the current fiscal year. Key growth drivers: increasing demand for passenger and commercial vehicles, robust growth in infrastructure development, road construction, mining, and e-commerce. Implementation of the scrappage policy driving demand for CVs, stable export demand from European and US markets. Financial analysis. Jamna Auto Industries has demonstrated impressive financial performance. In FY23, they achieved revenue growth of 35.36%, reaching 2,523 crore rupees, while maintaining a strong profitability margin. Key financial metrics include ROE 23.02%, ROS 27.95%, debt to equity 0.02. Future plans. Jamna Auto has exciting plans ahead. A new plant in Jharkhand is set to produce parabolic springs for heavy commercial vehicles, aligning with BS6 norms. Capital expenditure increased by 139%, reflecting their commitment to growth. The company aims to achieve a target called Lakshya 50XT by 2027, where 50% of revenue will come from new products, new markets, and increased dividend payout. Conclusion. In conclusion, Jamna Auto Industries stands as a formidable player in the CV sector. Their strong financials, strategic plans, and diversified product portfolio position them for promising growth. Share your thoughts on their future direction in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video informative, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Wishing you successful and rewarding investments ahead.